Ugh.
Here with the bread, Han.
Oh my gosh, the bread too.
Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen again. It's me, Sheila Lemon. Today, my husband and I were going to cook a tomato soup. Before we're going to start, my husband is the one that taking the videos and I'm the one doing this, but he's gonna help me. So before anything else, we're going to introduce the ingredients that we're going to use. Show it the ingredients, honey.
There you go. We have butter.
Yes,
Garlic.
2 tablespoons of butter.
2 tablespoons of butter.
This is a 4 cloves of chopped
4
garlic.
cloves of chopped garlic.
This is a basil.
Basil.
I chop fine chop. This is a basil.
Nice.
And a chop of white onion,
Onion.
salt, and pepper.
Yep.
And of course, we need important things is the crushed tomatoes
Yep.
in can. That good guard. That's good brand. And we need a chicken broth. You could use beef or chicken broth, any broth that you want. And also we need Parmesan cheese. And before anything else,
Uh-oh.
a heavy cream.
The most important thing.
A heavy cream. We need a heavy cream.
Good. Action.
So okay, our pan it's already hot. We're gonna put our 2 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to wait until it melted. And then, so our butter is already melt, and we're gonna saute our white onion first
How long do you have to saute it?
until it's like caramelize the what do you call this,
Like
the
it's
onion. And then,
Translucent and stuff.
yes, and then we're gonna add our garlic after.
Have you told everyone about your hand
Yeah,
in case they see it?
yeah, my hands got burned from
Splashy oil.
flashy oil when I fry tilapia. So this is it. It's
Yeah.
fine. It's only scar, but
She'll heal.
So now,
Yeah.
so now our onion is already caramelized. So we could add our chopped garlic. And then keep sauteing.
The smell, right?
Mm-hmm.
Onion and garlic and butter.
Yes. I like this casserole because it comes with what do you call this handle, a rubber
Like
handle.
silken.
Yeah, and thanks for the cook lover. No, thanks to my husband. But remember that you gave me this gift for my birthday.
I can't tell which one I got you and which.
Okay, now after they're cooking, so we're gonna add tomato crush. Wow, look at that. could add this time. We could add you could put salt and pepper, not too much. Chicken broth is already, so it's we don't need to put a lot of salt. And then what we're going to do is we could add our chicken broth, like a 1 cup. A 1 cup of chicken broth. Where's the 1 cup?
Right there.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So add 1 cup of the chicken broth. If you want like soupy, you could add more. But this time it's because we use only 1 can of a tomato crush. So you should add 1 cup of chicken broth. And then we could add our basil. And we're gonna save some for our presentation later. Yeah. Some after this, some they do like the grind, or you know the thingy, but we use a tomato crush really finely, so we don't need to put in a mixer, kind of like that. But some they like put in a mixer. So, and then let it like 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, there you go. Look at our potato soup, but it's not done. We're going to add a heavy cream, like a 1/2 cup. There you go. And then you could add a parmesan, like whatever that you want, guys. If you like more of parmesan, just like a 1/2 cup also, right, hon? Like that.
So how much cheese do you want?
So I like parmesan. So then going to wait like the parmesan gonna be melted, and this is done. Now it's time to our
Taste test time.
yeah,
The 3 T's.
yes. And then I'm not done.
Oh.
For anything else, I bake. Of course, we need if we have a soup, we need a toasted bread. It's a garlic toasted bread. So there you go. And then we're going to go. We're gonna do like 2 toasted bread there. There, we're gonna do presentation. And let's do the soup, hon. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Look at the parmesan cheese and the cream. Of course, the tomato. And there we go. More. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And it's okay. And then we're going to put a parmesan on the top of our soup. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And then a basil, a little basil, okay? So that we have a presentation. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. Look at that. Is it good, hon? The presentation.
Looks fantastic.
Okay. Ta-da! That's our soup, guys. And it's time to our taste test.
So we have a taste test bowl.
Yes, we have a taste test bowl. Yes. And we have, even though that we have a taste test bowl, we need to put a parmesan too. Yeah. And of course, a little visa. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. Now look at that. Look at that.
Go for it.
No, look at this.
I know.
The
It's just
focus. Ew, yummy. It's yummy. Okay. Me first?
ladies first.
Okay. And let's go. We have a bread.
Oh wow, yeah.
Now look at that. Oh, the cheese.
Yep.
You know, I love this when we went to the Panera.
Yeah. You like the tomato soup from Panera?
Yeah.
So this
But
is
I like
inspired by.
more than Then we're gonna have, guys, a toasted
Oh wow.
bread. It tastes good.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Perfecto. It's your turn, honey.
It's my turn.
Here with the bread, hon.
Oh my gosh, the bread too.
Yeah.
What if you do something like that? This is gonna turn out badly.
You like it? Seriously? Honestly, you like it?
It's very good.
It's good, huh? So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Hopefully that you enjoyed the way we made tomato soup. This is tomato sauce. Tomato soup. So this is my first time that I made a tomato soup. But it's inspired me from Panera. But this is tastes better than Panera. And thanks for watching, and thanks for all your support, and have a blessed day. Have a good day.